Do you want to turn your Raspberry Pi into awesome projects? In today's video, I will be showing you 5 add-ons that will take your project to the next level. Let's get building. The LCD module can display any text or data, making it perfect for your projects. For this, you will need your Raspberry Pi, LCD module, and 4 female-to-female jumper wires. The correct connections will be displayed on the back of your LCD module. 1 wire for your ground, 1 wire for your 5-volt connection, 1 wire for your SDA, and 1 wire for your SCL. Once you make all your connections and plug in your Raspberry Pi, your LCD screen should light up. Before jumping into the code, make sure you go to your Raspberry Pi configurations and turn on I2C. This may require you to restart your Raspberry Pi. Here's the code to get information displayed on your screen. In this example, I printed Hello Raspberry Pi. Once you press play, a message should appear on your LCD screen. Moving on to the Servo Motor. This motor allows you to control movement, which makes it perfect for automation and robotics. For this, you will need your Raspberry Pi, your motor, and 3 male-to-female jumper wires. 1 cable will go to your ground, 1 will go to your 5-volt power, and 1 will be your data. Ensure you review your instructions to verify which one is which. Once you make all your connections, plug in your Raspberry Pi and head over to your IDE. Here's the code that will get your motor running. Feel free to change the values to get your desired position. Once you press play, the motor will move as desired. Up next is a temperature and humidity sensor. Just like it sounds, the sensor allows you to detect temperature and humidity, making it perfect for home automation or weather stations. Aside from the Raspberry Pi, all your wires and the sensor should come together in one package. If not, you need the sensor and 3 male-to-male jumper wires. 1 wire will be your ground, 1 wire will be your 5-volt power, and 1 will be your data. And again, refer to your instructions to figure out which is which. Once you make your connections, plug into a power source and head over to your IDE. Here's the code that will allow you to get data from your sensor. Once you run your code, you will then see temperature and humidity being displayed to the console. In this example, it is starting at 80 degrees and going up to 95 degrees when I blow hot air onto it. The second to last sensor that we're going to talk about is the infrared motion detector. This sensor can detect motion, making it an ideal sensor for security systems. For this, all you will need is your sensor, your Raspberry Pi, and 3 male-to-male jumper wires. 1 wire will be your ground, 1 will be your 5-volt power, and 1 will be your data. And again, refer to your instructions to figure out which is which. Once you make your connections, plug your Raspberry Pi up to power and head over to your IDE. Here's the code to get your motion detector up and running. When I press play and move my hand in front of the sensor, it will start displaying something moved. Just a side note, if your sensor is not working as intended, try adjusting the delay and the sensitivity on the side of the sensor. Lastly, we have the Piie Camera V2. This camera can take videos or images, making it perfect for security systems, time lapses, or even facial recognition. All you need for this is your camera and your Raspberry Pi. Connect your camera to your Raspberry Pi and then connect your Raspberry Pi to a power source. Some older Raspberry Pi images will require you to go into the configuration and turning on the camera settings manually. If you are unsure, just go to your configuration, go to interfaces. If you see camera, turn it on. If not, you're good to go. Here's the code you need to get your camera up and running. In this code, when I press play, this will take a picture and save it to a Raspberry Pi. We've just explored 5 amazing add-ons for your Raspberry Pi, from LCD displays, motion detectors, and sensors. With these add-ons, you can create smart home systems, security cameras, robotics, and so much more. Try these components in your own project and let me know what you built. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time.